My name is Tony Walsler. I'm the lean champion of Georg Fischer in Seewis. My team and I are implementing lean management with the goal of achieving improvements and building a competitive advantage for the future. Currently, we have a lot of manual lubrication cases where employees have to apply grease with their bare hands. Our vision is to eliminate these manual processes, and to do so, ABNOX helps us a lot. We didn't want to buy a product, we wanted to buy a ready-made solution. And with ABNOX, we found a good partner. We could incorporate our ideas and implement them accordingly along the entire journey. Regarding economic efficiency, we initially assumed that the amortization would add up to 12 months. In the post-calculation, it turned out that it only took 7 months to pay back the investment. The new system is flexible because it can be converted quickly and easily. It's process reliable, precise, fast, and reliable. The two main cost advantages are a cycle time reduction of the lubrication case, as well as massively lowering grease consumption. Additionally, we were able to achieve a higher process reliability, as well as a quality improvement of our products, thanks to the lubrication system, which identically repeats the applying of grease. One specific time-consuming lubrication case was reduced from 20 seconds to less than 5 seconds. The collaboration with ABNOX was very practical and goal-oriented. We were also able to communicate our ideas of the process, which led to finding good solutions very fast. Our employees are very happy that we invest in lubrication systems. The biggest benefit is that our employees don't have to get in touch with the grease every single day. And that's very important for them.